Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 74th Miss Universe competition. This is Nell 2204 and don't forget to like and subscribe. Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Narito na naman tayo para sa update sa ating Miss Universe voting for the overall highest ranking sa Miss Universe Up. As of this moment, November 13 at 1:30 PM. Narito ang resulta ng ating highest ranking votings. At bago natin simulan yan, patuloy na iboto si Miss Philippines at Tisa Manalo sa Miss Universe Up. Okay, meet the girls leading in every category as of November 13, 1:30 PM. On our Miss People's Choice Award, nanguna sa botohan si Maria Tisa Manalo ng Pilipinas with 305,150 votes. On Miss Photogenic, nanguna pa rin si Miss Tisa Manalo ng Pilipinas with 46,771 votes. At para naman sa Miss Congeniality with 19,235 votes, number 1 pa rin si Miss Philippines Maria Tisa Manalo. Para naman sa Best Skin, nangunguna naman ngayon si Miss Indonesia Sanli Liu with 42,802 votes. And of course, for our Best in Evening Gown, number 1 si Miss Philippines with 16,866 votes. Best in National Costume, nangunguna naman si Miss Tanjia Zaman ng Bangladesh with 49,532 votes. Okay, for Beyond the Crown, number 1 is Miss Philippines with 72,922 votes. For the Most Beautiful People, number 1 pa rin ang Pilipinas na si Tisa Manalo with 23,647 votes. Nawa ay patuloy nating suportahan at patuloy na iboto si Miss Tisa Manalo ng Pilipinas sa Miss Universe voting on the Miss Universe Up. Just download the Miss Universe Up, buy votes or watch ads to get free vote. Maraming salamat sa panonood at panatilihing maging number 1 ang ating pambato. Patuloy tayong mag-update sa inyong lahat kaya't huwag kalimutan na mag-subscribe. This is Nell 2204. Maraming salamat.